एवरीवन, हम इस ट्यूटोरियल में ओवरफिटिंग एंड अंडरफिटिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट देखें। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ओवरफिटिंग। तो ओवरफिटिंग इट इज अ सिचुएशन इन अ मशीन लर्निंग happens when a model memorizes the training data instead of learning the general patterns। अगर हम सिंपल वर्ड में देखेंगे तो इट्स परफॉर्म टू वेल ऑन द ट्रेनिंग डेटा and it's perform poorly on a new data or a testing data, like it's include noises and random fluctuations. It is graphically represented as a smooth curve and zigzag curve. The training error is in the overfitting is low and testing error is high. It consists low bias and high variance. So what is bias and variance? So bias is the error caused by making too many simplifying assumptions in the model. Bias measures how far the model predictions are from the true values. Or variance means it is the error caused by because of the model. It is too sensitive to small change in the training data, or its measure how much prediction change in training data will change. So this is the overfitting. Let's move to the next slide, that is underfitting. So underfitting it is a situation in a machine learning happens when a model is too simple and capture the underlying pattern of the data. So it is graphically represented as a straight line and it's having to fit in the curve. Training error is high and testing error is also high in the underfitting. So it is graphically straight line trying to fit curve data. It consists high bias and low variance. So it's perform poorly on a training data also and testing. Thank you.